Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to reply on marketplace listing. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Facebook homepage. On the top right, you'll find this message. Click on this. Over here you can find this marketplace folder. Click on this. And over here you'll find all the messages you received for a listing. Just click on this, and after that you can see here is message over here. Now we can reply just by typing over here. Now on this marketplace I have listed for television. I am getting response from that. Over here this Martin is asking me for size. Now I'll enter size. It's 42 inches. After that I'll enter. And after that you can see I have replied to this query. So in this way we can reply for marketplace responses. Now if you want to do again, just click on message, go to this marketplace folder, and now choose message and you can just reply. So in this simple way we can reply for marketplace response. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.